Hi, I'm Chef Ryan from Growing Chefs Ontario in partnership with the Western Fair District for Agri-Education Week, and we're talking tomatoes. In our last video, we processed some tomatoes for preservation. I'm going to take those processed tomatoes and transform them a little bit further and turn them into tomato sauce and can them for a different type of preservation. To make the sauce, roughly dice the blanched and peeled tomatoes, onions, garlic, and herbs. Begin by cooking down the onions in a pot until they have softened. Add the garlic and continue to cook for a little bit longer. Add the tomatoes and herbs and let the sauce cook for about 60 minutes until the tomatoes are well broken down and the flavors have developed. Depending on the texture you want in your finished sauce, you can either blend it with an immersion blender or transfer it straight to a blender and blend in batches for a very smooth sauce. Taste the sauce and adjust the flavor with a bit of sugar to balance the acidity and salt to enhance the taste of the sauce. To can the tomatoes, there is a specific process we need to follow. First, sterilize the jars. This will kill any bacteria on the jars with heat. Allow the jars to cool. I'm being very careful not to touch the jars now that they are sterilized. Using a funnel and a ladle, I will fill up the jars within an inch of the top of the jar. Before we put on the lids, we need to add some lemon juice to the tomato sauce. This will raise the pH or acidity of the tomato sauce and make sure it is safe to can. It will also prevent any foodborne illness from forming. Make sure you consult with your local health department to ensure the safest pH for foods you are canning. Wipe any spills on the side of the jars with a clean dish towel. I will now put the seals and the rings on the jar. We are going to give them a water bath to can them. This works by heating up the sauce inside the jar, and the heat causes the jars to become pressurized and seal. I will can these in the water bath for 20 minutes and then carefully remove the jars with canning tongs and let them cool on a clean dish towel. The jars will begin popping to show you they are sealed. You should not be pressed down on them. If you can, that is a sign that the jar was not sealed properly and it should be stored in the fridge instead of canned for longer term storage. These cans will last up to a year.